the Chief Justice only first amongst the equals. We have tried to dispel the impression that the Supreme Court of India is a CJI-centric court. From the period of Justice Sanjeev Khanna, we have tried to infuse more transparency in the matter of appointments. I must assure you that we'll ensure that we'll adopt a complete process of transparency.
Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai reaffirmed the Supreme Court's commitment to transparency in judicial appointments during a felicitation ceremony organized by the Bombay Bar Association. He emphasized that the court is working to dispel the perception that the Supreme Court is CJI-centric. Speaking at the Bombay High Court in an event organized by the Bombay Bar Association, CJI Gavai highlighted ongoing efforts to ensure a more inclusive and transparent appointment process. He noted that this approach had been strengthened since the tenure of Justice Sanjeev Khanna.
The Chief Justice is only first amongst the equals. And we have tried to dispel the impression that the Supreme Court of India is a CJI-centric court. Immediately on my assuming office on 14th of May, on the very next day, we had a full court meeting wherein all the judges participated, and we took many decisions in the interest of the institution. From the period of Justice Sanjeev Khanna, we have tried to infuse more transparency in the matter of appointments. For last 3 days, on the first 2 days, we held interviews with about 54 candidates, and yesterday we have recommended around 36 appointments. I'm really happy that today we have 2 more judges. I congratulate Gautam Ankad and Mr. Milind Nerlikar. And I'm happy that both of them assumed the office before I entered the Bombay High Court building. And as all of us know, that the pendency is a huge issue. We are trying to work on it. One of the reasons in the pendency is the vacancies which are not filled up. Justice Datta at a function in Nagpur has flagged an issue about interference in the functioning of the collegium. I must assure you that we'll ensure that we'll adopt a complete process of transparency while ensuring that the representation is given to all sections of the society. The merit will never be compromised, and insofar as my own High Court is concerned, I can assure that the names, whatever are recommended, we will try to follow it up, and that as soon as possible the Bombay High Court starts functioning at a full strength, so that at least the issue of pendency is addressed to some extent.